Alright, I'm gonna make me a table for the back porch. Just something where we can sit up there and eat supper and stuff at and breakfast. But this is an old door that came out of a house.
And
Old house.
very old
A friend of
house.
mine gave it to me.
Probably over 100-year-old door.
Yeah. It's pine. I thought it was cherry, but it's pine. But we're gonna sand it down around the corners. Bought some metal table legs.
Right. Well, show them.
Metal legs go underneath it. It had a doorknob over here. I just plugged the hole, wouldn't it?
Now we're going to leave the hinge divots. Yeah, this was back when they made solid doors, not hollow
They'll be
inserts.
up underneath it, kind of like that.
Cool.
But it'll make us a good little outdoor table. Sit on the deck.
And our good friend Tim, when he was here, he left us 4 wooden,
Yeah, old wooden spindle chairs like
yeah,
for the
wooden,
kitchen.
yeah, spindles.
And we're going to use them out there at it.
Yeah.
I like eating outside, and that
Well,
we needed a table out there.
lots of times, we're sitting by the fire pit table and there's only a small amount you can use there.
I mean, you can fit 4 people around this comfortably.
Yeah. And not, and even not on the ends. You could put 2 people on the ends, but
Yeah, you can put 2 on the end, 1 here. That way it'd give you
Right.
plenty of room.
that, or you can have 1 and 2.
You could.
Yeah. But it's a narrow table. It's not wide,
Not wild.
but it'll fit in a variety of places on our back deck. So,
It looks good.
so,
Put the clear on it after I get it all sanded down around the corners off and stuff.
so this is your project for the day.
Well, this and wiring up the pool.
Wiring up the pool.
We're having water delivered to the pool.
Yes, because we have not had rain, and
we'll
there's
work
no
on the
rain in
boat some
sight.
today.
Yeah.
Get it ready to sail. I don't know whether she's put them videos up.
No,
yet.
not yet.
But we bought an old boat and we're fixing it up and gonna sell it.
Yeah.
But she'll put the videos out there on that.
Yeah.
But we'll just
Now, are you going to have this done today?
should.
So tonight we could eat dinner on it?
Yeah, should be able to. It
Cool.
should dry in this
And
the
this
temperature
sun.
right now. It should dry pretty quick. I don't know whether we'll eat dinner on it tonight, but I'll have it put together and we'll have it back there.
Cool. Well, I mean, and it's going to be upper 70s.
Yeah.
So.
What I may do is just sand it down before I start sealing. We'll flip it over and attach the legs. That way we can set it back up. That way I don't have to flip it over after I finish it.
Right.
So
Are you going to
attach the
put
legs.
any kind of a coating on the bottom half? No?
I'm gonna leave it
Just natural?
just natural.
What does the bottom half look like?
It just looks like a old door.
Like an old door. Okay. It's got a lot of cobwebs, I notice.
Yep. But let's do that. We'll put the table on. We'll put the legs on it, and then that way we can finish it. We won't have to flip it again.
Cool. Well, we've got a lot of little projects now. His big work, they're waiting on stone. So that's going to be next week. He'll be back on that project.
Yeah, I'm ready to get done with that one and just so I can concentrate on my projects.
Well, that's a huge undertaking.
Yeah, it has been.
And
But this way I can get started back on getting our bedroom framed in. It won't be done until this next winter, but at least I can get the roof on it.
right.
And I want to add on to my barn so I can get room out here in these sheds.
Well,
I want to build a gazebo down at the pond.
a lot of good intentions. A lot of good intentions. So,
Gotta have time.
well, I'll bring you back on when when we've got it sanded and sealed. How's
Yeah.
that? So I'll let you get to it.
All right.
Hey, this is Teresa, Mountain Air Farms. Well, it's the next day, and Randy has finally finished this table, and it's turned out beautiful. He's put, I know, at least 4 coats of clear on this, just sanding and clearing, sanding, clearing. Now the underside he left unfinished. Now these are the metal legs. It's got a little bit of dust on them. Nice metal legs that cross. And these are the chairs that we had. Now I need to polish them up a little bit. They look very drab compared to this beautiful table. But it turned out wonderful. And we can use it as just a nice long table right here, kind of out in the middle on our deck. Or we've also thought we could put it over here on this side rail and put the chairs around it, and then you could talk to the people out on the deck or out at the fire pit. But I was just letting you know how this turned out. It looks old and modern all at the same time. I'm not sure what kind of style that is. The legs are very modern with them being metal. And then the top is very old. The seats are very old looking. So, but it's kind of our style. We're old and modern all together too, I guess. I'm not sure. But I was just going to let you see how this turned out. It actually is beautiful. Can't wait to use it. Now we actually have a place when we do have people come over and they want to sit out here and eat dinner, we're not holding our plates or trying to eat right here at the fire pit on this small section. But we could actually set food out and enjoy the dinner right there. So I was just showing you what it turned out. Well, remember to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, remember, God loves you and we love you.